Okay, y'all, so this is my ridiculously easy breakfast egg sausage cups that I make a whole lot of. They freeze awesome, and then you can take it to breakfast. Nuke it for just literally 40-45 seconds. They are so good. You can do this so many ways. There's so many add-ins you can do. I'm going to show you really fast how I do it. It literally doesn't take a whole lot of time at all, really. Like if you've got a casserole in the oven for dinner, you could pop these in at the same time. When they're done, take them out, pop them out of the oven tin, let them cool, throw them in a freezer bag. You're good to go. Let me show you how I do it. My ridiculously easy breakfast sausage bakes that I make for my husband and myself, and I freeze. So I basically have a roll of just, I think, the Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage, any kind of sausage, turkey, spicy, regular, maple, whatever you want. And I throw in 1 onion, a little bit of olive at the bottom. Cook it all down, and then I'll show you the next step. This is so easy to do, and you have a great breakfast to take with you to work that's healthy, and it's good. It tastes good. Okay, so y'all already saw that I did the sausage and onion. In fact, I did that last night, and after I cooked it and put it in the bowl, I thought, you know what? I don't feel like assembling the eggs and doing it. I'm just going to go to bed. I'll get up and do it tomorrow. That's the beauty of it. You can do this in stages. Do your meat first if you want, or if you have, an hour on the weekend or whatnot. So sausage and onion, definitely could do any breakfast meat. You could do no breakfast meat at all. You could do some spinach and mushrooms and bell peppers and all kinds of stuff, just any way you want. I have about 16 eggs in here that I've just slightly beaten with the fork, put just a little bit of salt and red pepper flakes. We like stuff a little bit spicy. Standard muffin tin, which I have greased with a little bit of olive oil in each cup, and a bag of cheddar cheese. And the good thing about these, they're so customizable, y'all. You can make them any way you want, really. Accustomed to how you like your eggs or whatever. So I'm just going to show you how I do one particular one, and then I will fill the rest of the tin, and then I'll get them baked. I'll show you what they look like when they come out, and then how I get them all packed up in the freezer. So basically, I actually like to start with my meat mixture first. So I get a spoon of the meat mixture. Sorry, guys. And put it about, I would say, almost half full of the meat. And once again, that's just up to your preference. And then I do cheddar cheese, so sort of like a layer of cheese. And then this is my trick for spooning liquid eggs. I have a measuring cup that's got the spout on the end. So I just get a little in the cup, and then I fill it just about to the top. You want to make sure your meat and your cheese is good and covered, but you don't want it completely to the brim, which actually that one is kind of, but that's okay. So anyways, that's how I do it, guys, and you can definitely do it any way you want, but I'm going to go ahead and get all these filled, pop them in the oven. I'll show you what they look like when they come out, and then how I freeze them. Okay, fresh out of the oven and beautiful. They look so good. I'm going to let them cool completely. Don't rush the cooling process, y'all, because it's really hard to handle if it's too hot, and you will burn your hands and all that stuff. So I'm going to let them cool good half hour, maybe even hour while we eat dinner. I'll pop them out, show you how I bag them up to put them in the freezer, and yeah, you'll be good to go. Okay, guys, so I'll pop these out of the oven. They are all cooled. Let them cool completely. I pack them 1 per Ziploc bag. You can do 2. Then I put them all in this big freezer bag, and they go into the freezer. I'm fixing to fix my husband's lunch and myself, and this will be breakfast. So even if you don't eat breakfast at work, if you eat before you go in the morning, this is still really fast. It's really easy. It's healthy. You know what went into it. You can customize it. Pop it in the microwave in a paper towel for 45 seconds if it's completely frozen. If it's already defrosted by the time you get to work, or by the time that you get to eat it, just takes a little less time. It's yummy. It's cheesy and melty. It's got sausage and onion in the middle and egg. So there you go, guys. My incredibly, ridiculously easy and healthy to go breakfast egg bake cups, I guess you could call them. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.